By having a very hands-on approach at a very affordable tuition cost, MATC offers students academic opportunities that seem all too rare in today's colleges.
The way we approach things is to throw you into production and situations. Our program is unique. There's no other like it in the state at the two-year level. There's very few throughout the country, and even fewer that the students work in a television station.
A lot of schools will want to go for books, and they'll teach you how to write a story, they'll give you the process, but they don't always get you in the field, touching equipment, touching switchboards, audio boards. They don't get you actually working with what you would actually be working with.
The faculty and staff within the college are all experts in their areas. What's great about that is that a student is going to learn from someone with direct experience in that industry, in that job that they're looking for, essentially, so they can ask a lot of questions. They'll have a number of opportunities. There's networking with our advisory committees. There's networking with other opportunities that they're doing.
The focus here is to get you understanding what you need to do to take off with your career. So if you want to explore a couple of things, that's great because there's so many different programs. You can explore a whole lot in a matter of a semester or two. But if you really know what you want to do, like boom, 2 years later you've got that degree and some pretty incredible training to boot. The cost outlay for credit here at MATC is considerably less than four-year colleges and universities, whether they're private or public.
We have the MATC Promise program, which is a program for direct from high school students coming in and providing opportunities for education tuition free. We also have an Adult Promise program, which is for students who are out and working, who have maybe haven't completed their program or want to go into a different area to be retrained.
For PBS Student Reporting Labs, this is Keandre Griffin in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.